Hey y'all, it's Carrie Morey here with Callie's Hot Little Biscuit and Hot Little Suppers, our newest cookbook. And today I have my favorite second daughter in the kitchen with me, Cate, who actually loves to bake. And secret, I don't love to bake. I know that's funny, but I don't. Cate loves to bake, so she often makes a lot of our incredible desserts. And Best Ever Chocolate Pie is one of our favorites. It's really easy to make. And the great story about Best Ever Chocolate Pie is somebody reached out to me on Instagram, told me that they grew up with my mother and my aunt in Gaffney, South Carolina, and this was my grandfather's favorite pie that my grandmother used to make him all the time. So we gussied it up and put our own spin on it, and that's where the Best Ever Chocolate Pie came from. So we're gonna make it for you today. So the first step is to create a double boiler, which we just put a little bit of water in a small saucepan and a bowl on top that's gonna create steam and help melt the chocolate. And we're gonna do a mixture of dark and milk chocolate in the bowl while I butter the pan that we're gonna use for the pie. We're also going to add to the double boiler some powdered sugar, vanilla, and hot water. And we're just gonna combine this together until it is melted and smooth. So the next step, we've taken 3 eggs and separated the whites, and we're gonna add this to a mixing bowl, and we're gonna start to beat this into a meringue until stiff peaks form. And we're gonna add, not right this second, but halfway through, a little bit of cream of tartar and some salt. So cool this for just a few minutes, and then you're gonna take half of this melted chocolate and fold it into your meringue carefully and slowly so you don't break the meringue. So now this chocolate meringue goes into a buttered dish, and then we're gonna bake this in a 300-degree oven for about 30 minutes. And then you're gonna pull it out and let it cool. Now we're gonna make whipped cream. We're gonna make 2 cups of whipped cream. We're gonna add sugar halfway through the whipping process. Once it's whipped, we're gonna reserve half of the cream, and then we're gonna take the other half and fold in the rest of the chocolate and make a chocolate whipped cream and a regular whipped cream. All right, the meringue has cooled, and we're gonna add this chocolate whipped cream first. That's the first layer. And then, because we love a little savory with sweet, we're gonna add some of our toasted pecans on the top to give it a little texture, and salt.